you that rich texture and flavor. After you've added the fruits and the anise to the batter, you're going to put it in your tins. You just knock your things gently on the counter to tape top so that you don't have any bubbles when it bakes. And then you're going to place it in the oven 45 minutes to an hour. At about the 45 minutes mark, it will be time for us to make that beautiful syrup to top your bun. You will need a half cup of sugar, a tablespoon of margarine, 2 tablespoons of water. You're going to combine that into a saucepan and bring to a boil. Keep stirring until your sugar is completely dissolved. Because my family loves the spice, I toss a little bit in there. And it's up to you. It's just for a richer taste. And then you're going to pour it over your buns and drizzle evenly over the top so they're fully coated. And if you get into those cracks, trust me when I say it will make all the difference when you bite into your bun. That's it, mission accomplished. Now you let it sit for half an hour. That would never go in my house. My husband's always ready to chop in. So as long as your family will allow you to let it rest, let it cool, and slice, have it with the traditional Jamaican tasty cheese